Alright guys, so I have the Kinky Straight 16-inch clip-ins. These are the clips. They're about 10 in here, and I know this is gonna literally fit my entire head. The hair is super thick, so we're gonna just go ahead and install it. Alright, so I went ahead and straightened them. They're very, very silky. I didn't even put any product in it, and this is literally how it looks. So, I have my two 3 clips. We're gonna go ahead and section the hair and get started. I typically don't do my clip-ins. I don't section my hair super straight. I kinda gauge it with just clip. On the go. Oh, so I've been doing my clip-ins totally wrong then. Right, so now I'm gonna take my 4 clip and I'm gonna go ahead and clip it in right next to the 3 clip that I just put in. So that way it's all even. Alright, so I'm taking my 4 clip. Take my 2 clips and put it where I just put the 4 clips, so that way, again, like I said, it's all even. So I angled my part more at an angle, so that way whenever I put my clip in, it gives more coverage to the hair and to the face. Go ahead and clip it in. It lays very flat, no bulkiness, super seamless. So I'm gonna go ahead and take another 2 clip and put it right here, so that way there is more coverage to the face, and that way the clip-ins lay perfect like this. I'm gonna take this 1 clip, since I already have a clip here. Like I said, just to give my hair a little more volume in the front. And I don't even think I used to. I still have a clip left, so this, you're definitely gonna get the right amount of hair.